Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to show you how to make basic fried rice. It's simple, easy, and fast to make, so when you want to make a quick meal, you can give this recipe a try. Fried rice in Japan is made with short grain rice. I explained some tips on how to prepare the rice over on my blog, so make sure to check it out. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave some comment below. And if you love Japanese food, follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys have been watching this video till the end, here's the Japanese word of the day. Chaahan. It means fried rice in Japanese. As you may know, fried rice originated from China, and chaahan is the Japanese pronunciation for fried rice in Chinese. It's chao fan. In Japan, some of the popular chaahan includes ebi chaahan, tamago chaahan, and chashu chaahan. Have fun using it! Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!